Sustainable skincare refers to the practice of using beauty products that minimize environmental impact, promote social responsibility, and ensure economic viability. This sustainable practice encompasses the entire life cycle of skincare products, from sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, packaging, distribution, and end-of-life disposal. Subscribe to the channel to encourage us to continue producing videos like this. Like and comment on upcoming video topics. In recent years, sustainable skincare has gained significant attention as consumers become more aware of environmental and ethical issues related to the beauty industry. One of the primary aspects of sustainable skincare is the sourcing of raw materials. Brands committed to sustainability often obtain ingredients from suppliers who practice eco-friendly harvesting methods. This includes avoiding over-harvesting of natural resources and ensuring minimal impact on ecosystems. Moreover, these ingredients are often organic or natural, reducing the need for artificial chemicals that can harm both the environment and human health. Another critical facet is cruelty-free testing. Sustainable skincare firms refrain from animal testing, opting instead for alternative methods such as in vitro testing or computer modeling. This commitment not only prevents animal suffering, but also aligns with ethical consumer expectations. Additionally, fair trade practices are another cornerstone of sustainable skincare. Fair trade ensures that workers producing ingredients are paid fairly and work under safe conditions. Packaging is a substantial concern in sustainable skincare. Brands often utilize biodegradable, compostable, or recyclable materials to reduce waste. Some companies have even moved towards zero-waste packaging solutions. Embracing minimalism and offering refill options, this focus on reducing packaging waste addresses the broader issue of plastic pollution, contributing to a cleaner planet. Moreover, sustainable skincare incorporates energy-efficient manufacturing processes. This entails utilizing renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. Reducing water usage and emissions during production helps decrease the carbon footprint, contributing to the fight against climate change. Lastly, brands embracing sustainable skincare often emphasize community involvement and education. They engage in programs that inform consumers about the importance of sustainability. These programs highlight how personal care choices can impact the environment. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the demand for sustainable skincare continues to rise, encouraging beauty brands to innovate and adopt more planet-friendly practices.